Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi ba ro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Halor ka jingsha kin no le to men u Dr. Katnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary haki BSF. Ka Sorkar jilla kan Thung da ka Coordination Committee kli da ki Subdivisional Officer SDO yathu u DGP ka jilla. Hadian ka jingyalang bala khod do Menteri Katnat Kampo yeng ka jilla u ba prestun tensang. Na kaliang DGP Director General of Police DGP ka Meghalaya Dr. LR Bishnoy uyathu ka Coordination Committee hakishnong khapun bantem ye ka jingya snopher jingmun hapdeng ginong shongshnong bat kishipai yada khapun Border Security Force BSF Shakilat Pathai Khubor ha ka jingya lang bala long hascrat real adon lang Inspector General IG BSF Meghalaya Frontier u DGP ka jilla u yathu ka BSF kadang pelong ka jing tokin ban na kaliang u IG ru ula kular ha ka jing yalang bo un khmi bnya halor ka jingjia bat un pha ya ka kaipot sha ka Sorkar jilla.
That was unfortunate incident where the veterinary surgeon was allegedly misbehaved by BSF personnel. There was a communication gap because of some local language problems or maybe other reasons. So Honorable Home Minister has called a meeting of the IGBSF. I also attended, and from Home Department, Additional Chief Secretary and Home Secretary, they were in the meeting. So basically we discussed not only about that incident but about earlier incidents also, and we have decided that the coordination committee involving the police, civil administrations and the BSF will be constituted at sub-divisional level, and every month they will organize one meeting and where the community leaders will be invited as special invitee to attend meeting, so that the trust and understanding can be strengthened between the people of the border villages and the BSF.
But what action will be taken in regards
See,
to
the
this
BSF is also inquiring into the matter, and today IG BSF has assured us that I will go into the detail, and once after inquiry, once we will submit the report, then we will think about the action. Such kind of incident will not be repeated at all. That is one, he has given us assurance. And secondly, whatever exactly happened, they will look into the entire incident, and to overcome the mistrust and misunderstanding, this coordination will be strengthened. And let the preliminary inquiry be conducted from the BSF side, and once the report comes, after that only we will take up. And he has not filed any FIR formally, but he complained to the local. And then we have taken the matter with the BSF because BSF was directly alleged that they were misbehaving the veterinary surgeons. The government will be issuing notifications, constituting the coordination committee, not only in Amlaram subdivision but other subdivisions like Sohra, like Dalus and like Panarsuna. In every subdivision, one coordination committee will be there. Every month they will organize one meeting involving the community leaderships, the citizens of the border villages, the local police, the civil administration, and the BSF. Now, see, after that coordination was enhanced, so that is why after that no further incident in Peninsula subdivision. That was unfortunate.
Police was supposed to be informed, but then they not informed.
No, now that is why the coordination was lacking earlier. To strengthen that only, now they have decided that coordination committee will meet up every month. Even if there is no incident in the area, still they will keep meeting to strengthen the understanding and trust. And we have decided that if any misunderstanding is there, so the BSF company commander or the local officer, he should intimate the nearby police station immediately, so that the language and other communication problem will not be there. And till the local police arrives, they should not take any further action. We agreed for that. It is just to strengthen the coordination only.
Sir, who will be the member of the coordination committee?
It will be headed by SPO civil of the subdivisions. SDPO, company commander of the BSF will be the members, and the community leaders of those villages will be special.
There is a allocation of harassment by the BSF, and there is also a version of the BSF according to them what they are doing. So if you know, in the border area The BSF have their own role to play, and Muktapur being on the zero line, local population also, they have their own thing to do. But whatever happened yesterday, there are two versions to it. So the BSF will get into the bottom of this, and the police also will investigate this matter. I had a meeting with IGBSF and the police headquarters and officers from the Home Department, where we discussed that this type of thing, they should get into the bottom of this incident, and this type of thing should not repeat in the future, because unnecessarily there is people will suffer, and moreover many people will take advantage of this incident trying to do other things also. So that's why I call this meeting, and the BSF also, they have agreed that while doing policing, they have utmost restraint should be there to see that this type of incident not happen. And also today the SDPO Amlerem and the SDU Civil Amlerem, they went to Muktapur and had a meeting with the local residents on the same issue. So we discussed with the police and BSF also that the proper communication between the civilian authorities and the BSF should be there to avoid this type of thing.